Wanted to touch base with you before we begin our first week of virtual classes. So I have made a few changes to the Schoology page. So I have this pulled up as a student view. So I just picked the first name alphabetically that popped up. So if you see their name, that's why they were chosen. A couple things. I have removed Group A and Group B calendars, and I have put just one calendar folder in there that will be for everybody. So we'll all be meeting together every day. And then I have added a weekly overview videos file. So this video that I'm doing right now will go into that file. And then I have the Zoom class link that I've added. So let's start with the calendar first. So your calendar is a little bit different than most other classes, but I did one anyways, just so that we're clear on what it is that you should be working on every day. So here is the first week. So let me see if I can pull the dates up there. All right, so Monday, you can see we're going to talk about the virtual class expectations. So that'll be just a presentation, and then you'll have time to ask some questions. Every day this week, you should be working on component 1 at home and during our virtual time. So I will set up breakout rooms as soon as that feature is open to us in Zoom. Until then, you can set up your own Zoom meeting or work however best fits you. I will be doing progress checks with your teams this week. So you need to have your new progress check ready to go for the next 2 weeks, and then be prepared to talk about how you did on your progress from the last 2 weeks. So you can see most of your time is going to be just teamwork time, both virtually and your at-home component. So you are really going to have to crack down and work at home on this because there's a lot that's due coming up in December. So you need to make sure that you are ready for that and that you're getting all the information that you need. So let's go back to, now it pulls up all the way. Let's go back to Schoology to materials page again. Okay, so let's look at the Zoom link. So every day you're going to click on this Zoom link to get into the class. So you just click it and then you just open the Zoom meeting. Once you may need to download that app if it's not on your Chromebook. So make sure you do that before your 9 a.m. class on Monday. You will come into the meeting muted. Please have your audio, your video unmuted so that I can see all of you, so that I can get attendance. And then I will talk more in our expectations presentation tomorrow about what happens with that video and attendance. Okay, so I'm not actually going to go into that right now. So we will cover expectations at our time tomorrow, which will be at 10:30. Your Zoom meeting link is the same as the SIM link, so you guys will all be joining into the same class every day, and then we'll break out as we need to. All right, so I look forward to talking to you Monday at 10:30.